Shoulder replacement surgery restores movement, reduces pain, and helps patients return to everyday life. Severe arthritis or injury can make even simple movements painful. When cartilage wears away, bone rubs against bone, causing pain and stiffness. Imaging helps surgeons determine whether replacement is needed. After careful evaluation, shoulder replacement may be recommended. On surgery day, the care team prepares the patient for a safe procedure. Comfort and safety checks begin before entering the procedure room. Patients receive anesthesia so they remain comfortable and pain-free. The surgical team prepares a fully sterile environment. Positioning ensures both safety and surgical accuracy. The procedure begins with precision planning. The damaged joint is replaced with a smooth artificial implant. Sterility protects the patient from infection. Every movement is deliberate and controlled. Specialized instruments guide the reconstruction process. Modern implants are designed to restore smooth joint motion. This surgery reduces pain and improves mobility. Clear communication keeps the operation safe. Vital signs are monitored continuously. Once the implant is secure, the surgical site is carefully closed. After surgery, patients move to recovery for monitoring. Most patients wait comfortably with pain managed. Recovery begins immediately with guided care. Physical therapy restores strength and flexibility. Most patients experience major pain reduction. Shoulder replacement can restore independence. Follow-ups ensure healing is on track. Improved motion can transform daily life. Simple activities become comfortable again. If shoulder pain limits your life, treatment options exist. Many patients return to the activities they love. Modern shoulder replacement is safe and effective. The goal is simple: less pain, more movement, better life. Behind every surgery is a dedicated team. Recovery milestones build confidence. Trust in care define the healing journey. A restored shoulder can mean a restored lifestyle. Healing begins with the right treatment.